Hello everyone, I am Azeez Ola Shoderu. I am the director of the #1 Language and Linguistics Institute, A.O.S Academy, and it is an online educational platform that helps people, English speakers and few French speakers, to actually learn languages and prepare for examinations. Now, I have actually also taken some of those examinations like IELTS, TEF Canada and DELF-DALF examinations. Now, I'm actually a graduate of the University of Ilorin, and I hold a certificate of French too from the prestigious Nigerian French language village Ajara Badagry, Lagos. And I have also received many notable awards and recognition, such as being named le maître de la grammaire française, which is the master of French grammar, in 2013, and I've also won the overall best student in the linguistics department, University of Ilorin. Now, based on my passion for learning French language, I have also attended Alliance Française and even taken many notable tests. And every week, I also take French lessons and also help people to actually get free examination tips on my institute's blogspot, which is www.aosacademy.com/blog. Thank you very much.